Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you how to apply for a USA green card in 2025 step by step. If you are ready to live and work permanently in the United States, this guide will help you understand the basic and get started right away. Without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to understand which green card category fits you best, like know which green card made for you. So most people throw like family sponsorship, like a spouse or a parent who is a US citizen, or employment, like if your employer is sponsoring you. Then diversity visa lottery, if you are from an eligible country you can go with this one. Then refugee or asylum status, like each category has slightly different requirements, so be sure to check your eligibility. Once you're done, you just need to be file the right petitions. So next, you or your sponsor need to file a petitions with USCIS. For family based green cards, your relative files from 1130. Here you can see, let's search for USB form 1130 and you will get the link over that place. So here forms, here you will get this form address. So let's find it out where we're talking about all forms. So here I will search for employee based forms or citizenship, or we can search by the content also, like let's search for from 103 and let's search it here, and there is no options here, so I will search for the forms and let's see, and there is the ability to the, so here you will get all from here. So you just need to find it out properly. For family employment based, your employee usually files from 140. If you are applying as a special immigrant or through the diversity visa program, you will follow slightly different step, like check UCIS.gov for the correct forms. Here this is the website where you just need to be applied here. So here you just need to be explore the whole website, and here you will find out a couple of things like apply for citizenship. Just click over here, and then here you can see apply for notarizations. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then they will give us the options to create an account. If you don't have, you just need to create an account. Once you're done, then they will give you the follow a chart or follow a guideline. So here you can see how to start your notarization application. Now consider contacting authorization immigration legal service provider for advice, which may be provided for free or at low cost. You just need to create an account, then prepare your form and 400 application authorizations and submit your applications here. So you just need to be fill it in online. Once you're done, then here you can prompt and document the downloads. You just need to be, then you can say edition date. So this is the process. Once you're done, you just need to be wait for UCCIS approval. Like once your petitions is filled, you will get a receipt notice from USCIS official, and they will review your application and may ask for extra documents. You just need to be processing times vary. It can take months or even years depending on your category and country of origin. Patience is key here. So now you just need to be apply for the green card. After your petition is approved and your priority dates is current, you can file from 1/485. If you are already in the USA, this is called adjustment of status. If you are outside the USA, you will go through the consular processing instead. This means you will complete your application at a USA embassy or consulate in your country. Be ready for an interview, medical exam, and to submit all supporting documents. And in next step, you just need to attend your interview and wait for approval. Next, you will attend an interview at a UCCIS office or a USA embassy. The officer will ask questions about your background and your relationships to your sponsor. If everything checks out, you will get approval and your green card will arrive by mail if you are in the USA, or you will get the visa to enter the USA as a permanent resident. And let me give you a bonus tip that will keep you safe. Like once you have the green card, keep it safe. It is valid for 10 years and you will need to renew it before it expires. And remember, after 3 to 5 years, many green card holders can apply for USA citizenship. If you want to take that next step you are allowed to do it. And that's it, a quick guide on how you can apply for USA green card in 2025. If this helped you out, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question, drop the questions in the comment box. Good luck with your application and I will see you in the next video.